Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Yogam, and in today's video I will show you how to change the fixed drive icons in Windows 10. Yes, which are the fixed drive icons I will show you, like the drives which are installed in your laptop, these which is your Windows and this is my HDD. So I will show you how to change these icons, like this is the Windows icon and I will show you the changed icon. Like here, this is the Windows installation, this is my HDD. So here I will show you how to change the icon. The app which will be used to change drive icon is the Registry Editor. We know that it is used for making keys and other applications use it for Windows 10 only. But in this video we can change only fixed drive icon. In next video I will show you how to change the USB drive icon, like if we plug it into other laptop also the icon will come same only. So I will show you in the next video. In this we can only change the drive icon, like when this drive is there, this is the default drive icon. So I will show you the other type of drive icon. Here I will change it. So now we will open Registry Editor. Registry Editor we can search and open. Otherwise we can tap Windows R and type regedit here and press OK or enter. And here my Registry Editor has opened. Now we will navigate to HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, drive icons. This is like if any other user is also in your laptop or PC, he will also be able to see that drive icon. So here I will tap HK local machine, double tap, go to software. Here I will find Microsoft, go to Windows, go down and current version, and here I will find drive icon. Here I have found it. Here it is Explorer. First we will go and then we will find drive icon. Here it is drive icons. Sorry, there is a mistake in the description. So first we will go to drive icons, and now we have to change the drive icon. So I will right click here, new and key, and the drive which we have to change the icon, the drive letter, we have to see the drive letter of the drive which we have to change. Like I will change my Windows drive, so the drive letter is C. Here I will rename it as C, right click, rename, and caps lock C, capital C, no spaces should be there, only capital C, no spaces like this we give, only capital C. So now click anywhere outside. If you do any error in here, it may break your laptop also, or otherwise give error to your drive. It will not give the icon. So now we will right click C, new and key, and here we will rename it as default icon. D should be caps lock, E F A U L T, and I should be caps lock, C O N. No spaces, no. Please follow the punctuation like this, only no spaces, no nothing, otherwise it will not work. So I will tap anywhere outside here. Now we have to change the default value here. So now I will double tap the default icon, make sure this has become blue, and here I will tap on default, double tap, and here under value data we have to write the path of the icon file. So now make sure that the image is not PNG or JPG. Make sure that image is not PNG or JPG. Like here I will replace the Windows icon with my icon Techie Yogam. So it should be .ico. If your image is like PNG or JPG and nothing is that hard and fast that you have to, the icon should be in circle only, it can be square only, but I took circle. So now we can go to this website and choose file and upload it. So now I will tap on this, single tap, just selection, and here if this part is not coming, double tap it. Like here it is not coming, I will double tap it, and here if this is blue, and here I will tap copy path to copy its path. Now we will go to Registry Editor. Now we will go to Registry Editor, and here in the value data, we can right click and paste. Otherwise we can tap Ctrl and V. Now see here, this, if this comes double exclamation, let it be there. So now you can see users agam downloads techieagam.ico. Now I will tap OK. Now first close your file explorer and reopen it again. And here you can see the drive icon has been changed. It is coming like techieagam. And if you restart your machine also, that will also nothing happen. And if you want to change the drive of other icon only, there is no that rule that you can change drive of only one icon. If we want to change the drive of other some icon of other drive also, like in this drive I have installed Ubuntu. So here I will go to Registry Editor, right click on drive icon, new key, and write the drive letter of Ubuntu drive, like here it is H. So I will rename it as H, right click, rename, caps lock H, I told you earlier. And I will right click H, new key, default icon, like I told you, same same everything. So here default icon I have written. I will double tap default, make sure it is blue, and here I will double tap default. Here I will copy the ICO file, like I have downloaded it from the internet, and here I will tap copy path. Here I will paste it, right click and paste, or Ctrl V, and I will tap OK. Now I will restart the file explorer. And here like Ubuntu VMware has been, the icon has been changed, like you can see here. And the drive is also working. This drive is also working. And if sometimes we clear our downloads folder or anything, and if by chance if this is deleted, like photo, I will show you what will happen. If this is deleted, you will get a blank drive icon, like here I will show you. Like this is, if this is also deleted, like this also by chance the key is deleted, this will come to default one back. And if you want like if I will restart system, then only it will come blank. So if you want recovery, I can restore it. And in the drive which you are making the icon, we can go to here and right click and make new folder with icon, so that if your icon becomes icon will not delete and it will be in the folder only. Here this PC, Windows, and icon, and I will paste it here. So now I can tap and copy path and change the path here. So then the path will be here like this only. And like Ubuntu also I will do. I will cut it, go to my drive, here create a new folder as icon and paste it here. And now I will copy the path in default icon. I will change the icon like the path. So now you will not have the risk of deleting the icon. So like this only you can change the other drives icon also. I have not done it now. So now like this only you can change the other drives icon. With these steps you can change the other drives icon also. Only fixed drives. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you want more tips and tricks like these, please like and comment to my channel. Thank you for watching.